Send it. You know, everybody, one of the things that drives me nuts is the hate I get in the comments sometimes because I'm happy that Tectonic is pumping. Like, I understand very well, much better than a lot of people, because I look at this on a daily basis, Cronos, crypto.com, the entire ecosystem, and cryptos as a whole. I'm a content creator. I have to be putting double or three times as much as research as the average user. And I come to find out, like, man, like, I really enjoy what's going on. I understand that that price can drop next week, and then we're back to where we were heading, the downward pressure trend, and just putting new lower lows. I get it. However, I also know the long term of crypto to start, then the long term for crypto.com, then the long term from Cronos chain, and ultimately the long term for Tectonic, which is one of the protocols. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at DeFi Llama, and guess what? Tectonic on TVL is coming close to VVS Finance. 353 million compared to 550 million from VVS. It's miles away from MMF right now, miles away from Ferro Protocol. So when I get the hate, you know what? Let's do it. You want to hate? It's fine. But you're never going to hate me for false expectations on the price, because I'm never going to come here and tell you we're going to $1, we're going to 1 cent. I leave that for somebody else. I showed my true passion, my true persona, because I'm happy that after so long of painful dropness, 2022 garbage that we've seen the TVL crush because of the bear market, when I see something like this after 5-6 days, can it continue running? Yes. Can it continue dropping? Yes. But I'm excited to be sharing it with you. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. My Cronos family, Tectonic holders, how we guys doing? And welcome back. Over the last 3+ days, we've been talking about Tectonic. Right now, this is another update just to give you an idea of what I'm looking in the comment sections and social media. And so I've been trying to post more on Twitter to let the word out, doing my effort, right? I understand that it's really not the best time sometimes in crypto for the bear market, but look at LUNC, just to give you an example, right? Also going down and a little bit going up right now. The entire market, I'm going to show you right now. This is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin, guys. 3% from 18 closing to 19,500. Not bad. This is, I mean, just giving you facts as far as that the market, this end of the week, Sunday, is putting some nice recovery to start. There's so many hours to end Sunday, but I'm happy to see this. And Tectonic, well, okay, what's happening? Well, in the last September 15th, today is October 24th, so 23rd, I mean, we're putting prices that we haven't seen in a little close to a month from now. So that's good. I like it. I mean, obviously a V-shaped recovery, so that is really nice. Overbought. There's no way to put it. Overbought. What does that mean? That at any point, the price can continue, just drop and go to that drop for 2-3 days, and that's it. End of the pump for Tectonic. But so far it's pumping, and I like it. Be aware, be careful. And you already know it's your money, it's my money. We do whatever we want. But what is happening, if you take a look at the contract, is that people are putting it here on staking. 1.264, it means that there's more people staking. The more people, the less percentage. The less people, the higher the percentage. That's what it is. That's how it works. And this one has been 1,000 plus, not even close to that. When you look at the 48 months, we're looking at 81. Guys, this was 600, 500 and more. Even 1,000 at first, but it is what it is. Everything's extreme fear. The price of Tectonic is looking like this. And as I'm showing you, 355. Oh, look, I thought it was 500 or something for VVS. No, it's just 436. So if Tectonic continues pumping, we can probably pass VVS Finance just due to the price. I'm going to get closer now. So we've been adjusting the range, and once again, I'm adjusting the range so people are aware and see how this goes. the RSI, everything looks pretty nice. The volume here at the bottom, look at the volume, everybody, on this simple moving average volume, complete pumping right now. A lot of people are buying. And if you're watching the channel, so you get insights, facts, everything that I've said so far is true. You know, the realistic expectations, even it just pump even more right now as I'm speaking. It just pump a little bit more. What does that mean? VVS Finance has 100 trillion supply. Tectonic has 500 trillion supply. There's no way of saying it, but it's gonna be under 1 cent for a long time. They're not burning tokens. It is what it is. Obviously, the more you buy right now, as times go on, as in a couple days from now, we got Generation 3.0 Crypto.com new exchange. In a month from now or so, less than a month from now, we got what? The World Cup. What am I saying? Crypto.com, Bitcoin, even crypto as a whole can have a nice uptrend, because this is, if earlier this year we have the crypto bowl, referring to the America's Super Bowl, because we got crypto.com, FTX, and other, I just kind of Coinbase, I believe, and so eToro. The World Cup in the same year, although it's been a garbage year, macro related, all these garbage things with the war, Putin, inflation, whatever. This one it's gonna probably also be a crypto World Cup, because crypto.com, algorand, the blockchain sponsor. So obviously for Cronos, it's gonna go down the pipeline, and we're gonna get more users, and we can get higher prices if that's how whales are feeling for this time. Just bringing you up to speed. November 2nd, FOMC meeting. This coming November, FOMC meetings. December, FOMC meetings. Obviously, the Fed is going to raise interest rates. That's going to add probably some pain to the markets. That's what a lot of people are expecting. Oftentimes, the markets does whatever they want, and then it pumps. Garbage, but through. So I'm telling you, right, to prepare as we end October, because November, we're going to have that FOMC meeting, a new CPI data, and on and on. It's going to be exciting. But as of now, I'm happy that I own a little bit of Tectonic. I want to add more, of course, once on a downtrend. That's where I add all my positions. I've been adding Terra Classic. I've been adding all the different cryptos. But in the next downtrend for Tectonic, are you saying we're going to have a downtrend? Yeah, of course we're going to have a downtrend. It's overbought. So right now, obviously, it's going to pump to a point that I don't know, but we'll see when it ends. And then once it stops, that's going to be where Oscar Ramos is going to come in. I always do that, and I come out stronger and winner, because that's when you typically want to get in, when it's red and bloody on the streets. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope this helps. Peace, everybody. Like, subscribe.